And thanks for staying with us this midday. We are taking your pet health questions right now for veterinarian David Graff. So if you have a question, you can give us a call, 319-365-9999. And Dr. Graff, you brought a couple of furry friends with you today.
Yeah, this is AOL and Yahoo.
Yahoo.
They're internet cats. and they're from a litter of 5 yellow cats, and they're at the Cedar Rapids Animal Care and Control. So if you're looking for a new kitty, here's some good options here.
Yeah, look, I mean, they just really, these little guys are just settling right in, and they're both purring. And
these are both male kitties, and they're very well behaved.
Yeah. When you mentioned, you know, little kittens can get, you can bring them home, and they are common, there are some common afflictions that little babies can have. So let's talk about
They
this.
commonly need to be checked for fleas, ear mites, and intestinal parasites. Those are probably the 3 most common things.
Are they easily treatable?
All 3 of those things are easily treatable. That's correct. And you were just mentioning before the show came on that you've seen some ticks, and yes, you can have ticks too, especially if they're outdoor kitties.
Yeah. Well, and I know, you know, I don't live in the woods or anything. I just live in a regular old neighborhood. Whoa.
Yep.
And I'm amazed at, I think it's been 2 or 3 times we've seen, and I have a dog that comes in and out of the house, but I wouldn't think, you know, just going out into our yard that's mowed, that they would come in with fleas on, but they do.
The topical flea control products don't always control ticks, so you need to make sure you have one that does both fleas and ticks. So check with your veterinarian about that. Frontline Plus is probably the most widely used product for that. That prevents both fleas and ticks.
Okay, and one thing we should probably tackle, considering the timing, tonight there are going to be, no doubt, a number of fireworks displays happening here. And I know a lot of people have animals that get a little freaked by that process. And
I've had several calls today, and there are sedatives that you can get for your dog that will help ease the excitement due to fireworks, and your doctor can prescribe that.
So those are all, they have to be prescription only?
Yes, they are prescription.
Okay. We have Tim on the phone with a question for us. Go ahead, Tim. Tim, are you there? Okay, well, we'll try and get him on the line. I don't know what's happening there, but we should mention again, really quick, we're running out of time, but we have a litter of 5 up for adoption. And obviously these little guys, how big do you think these
guys are? You had to run away.
Yes, sir. Nicole's assisting.
They're about 7 or 8 weeks old.
Okay, so and they're available for adoption already?
Yep.
What's the soonest, you know, cats can go out for adoption?
They should stay with their mom until they're 6 weeks. 6 weeks,
then anywhere beyond that?
Beyond that, they're okay to adopt out. And as soon as you get a new kitten, take them to the doctor and have them looked at to make sure that they don't have fleas, ear mites, or roundworms.
Okay, now if you find a tick, this is one question that I have. How do you get it out? What's the best way?
Well, put on a glove and carefully use your fingers and pull them off directly. And if you see a little bit of skin that comes with it, that's good. People worry about leaving the head in, and the body will eat that up. If you leave a little bit of the tick in, the body will absorb that. Don't put fingernail polish remover on them, and don't use a match. You can set your kitty on fire.
Not good.
You don't want to do that.
Yeah, that would not be a good situation to be in. So, Dr. Graff, thanks for joining us today. Some great advice on a number of different issues for these little guys. Again, available, 5 of them at Animal Care and Control. Coming up, another check of your first alert forecast. Stay with us here on TV9.